This is CS15, my project for creating tournament brackets for trainers and probably the sportsmen, which is create tournament brackets. The first list is a form for entering data about the participants. We request the first name, last name, year, weight, additional info. We need to avoid that probably two people from one trainer or probably from one club to fight with each other, or additional purposes. It's up to the trainer or user. Так, some fields we need for further changes of the program, for example, dividing by weight and excluding meeting and competition of guys from the same club. Yeah, I said it. And after filling out the form, we can let's let's add additional information and add the challenger. Okay, we've got 4 of them, and after that we can building a grid. In the upper right corner you can see we've got the ability to go to the page with the competition grid. Here people on the bottom we've got list all of participants. If you need, you can add or probably delete them. We've got to the so we can building a grid with all our participants here: Jack London, Herbert Wells, and Karl Marx, William Shakespeare, and etc. Building a grid is not a difficult task, but if each result is needed for further work, it is necessary to track each name and update the database and the name passed through the completion grid. This makes it possible to change the grid on the fly. So what we've got here, we've got database with all our guys. In the initial stage, instead of the name, there is an information message with which show us waiting results. There is a button opposite each name. When clicking the name, goes to the next stage, the winner, for example, Jack London. He goes further as a champion, and of course, the second name goes to the next stage as a loser, and go to the corresponding block as a loser. All results are entering into the database. Let's see it here. And we can track them in our database. Let's see it. Yes, in the column of status. We need this in a further. Then there is a semi-final with guys who won. For example, it was Karl Marx and Herbert Wells. And the first among the winners take the first place. For example, William Shakespeare is the loser, and the final of course will take the second place, and the winner among the losers at the previous stage take the third place. Let's say Herbert Wells. See, how it works. The main advantage after the table is formed, all the changes are entering in the database and saved, and you can use them if you want to expand the project. The most difficult feature was the dynamic change of the bracket and